So firstly, how was your experience shooting for the cover?
I think every girl likes to be a cover girl. It's great fun. You get a lot of attention. Everybody fusses over you. They make you look beautiful. Stan, I think, you know, the thing with Weller Professionals is that they uh, they innovate and they create and they're aware of current trends, and I think they put a lot of thought into what they're doing. And I think that's very evident in the looks that Stan has created. And I actually really enjoyed being fast over that day. And I love all three looks. I have one favorite, of course. I think everybody does. But I loved all three. I loved the clothes. I loved the entire team. Femina Salon and Spa is a very, very special team. This is the second cover I've done with them. So I enjoyed the entire process.
And we love
They
you.
also were. They
Aditi,
also.
we love you.
Thank
It's
you.
the second time. The only,
Thank you.
The only celebrity who's been on our cover
Yay.
twice.
Yeah. So I have worked with them before. I've worked with Sandeepa and I'm very fond of them. So I really enjoyed it. I also got a mini hair spa before they started shooting. Wow. So you can imagine why I really enjoyed myself so much.
So you already told us that you liked all the three looks, but we'd still like to know that which one was your favorite.
Okay, I don't know, Stan called it something, but I call it the twirly look. It had hair that went like that. And you know what? It reminded me, because I found it very cinematic. I thought it was straight out of, there's a movie called In the Mood for Love by Wong Kar-wai. So it reminded me of that. And I felt so like transported into that film that I really enjoyed that look the most. Yeah.
It's called Lotus Blossom. That's the look.
Oh, what a beautiful name. That is straight out of Wong Kar-wai then, right? Okay.
Okay, so my next question is, do you color your hair often?
I actually, you know, I first colored my hair 2 years ago for Murder 3. But before that, I had never colored my hair. And I colored my hair because I had to have a lot of curls in my hair. And I think it looks very beautiful with color. But now I'm pretty addicted to color because it really works for different looks, and especially as an actor, when you need to do different looks, I think that's one of the first things that stands out, is the color in your hair. And especially since we are doing a bridal look, I think especially for every Indian contemporary modern bride, color is really, really important, as is the hairstyle. And I think the hairstyle stands out much more when there's color in the hair, because you see all the texture and what is done to the hair, as you can in even the cover. And so I actually have got to know this as I've been working, but I find it very exciting, and there's a lot to learn. In fact, Stan is an amazing teacher. So when he was doing the looks, he was doing them so beautifully that I was actually trying to like mug them and learn how he was doing it. It's another matter that I can't do it now, but yeah, I did try.
So now that you're so addicted to hair color and you love it so much, how do you maintain your dresses?
I don't color my hair all the time. I color it depending on what part I'm doing, what film I'm doing. But I maintain my hair mostly with hair spas. And there is a lot of product that goes into the hair. There's a lot of styling that happens, a lot of hot irons, hair dryers. But I think what really helps is good hair spas. And Weller Professionals gave me one before the shoot.
Therefore, just to add to that then, so you need to be aware of the Alchemy hair spas from Weller Professionals, which was part of what Aditi experienced. So thanks for mentioning that. Thank you.
So this is my final question to you.
Before you end this, I just want to also point out that Aditi has given a very interesting interview to us where she talks about some beauty quirks that she has, or the interesting things she follows in terms of her beauty regime. So I've heard you're very concerned about the eyebrows, and you feel, they make or break a look. Is it?
Absolutely, yeah. For me, actually all my makeup artists really harass me and tease me because I can sit on my eyebrows for like 5-10 minutes, and if my eyebrows are not done, I will not be happy and I will not walk out of that room with a smile on my face. So that is very important for me. But otherwise, basic beauty routine, I am a great believer in natural. So I roam around at airports and various public places without any makeup on my face because I think that is who you are. But I think that the hair has to look beautiful and shine, and I think that is all you need. You need healthy, beautiful hair and healthy, beautiful skin, and that's all you need to look beautiful.
And hair color, the right hair color.
Yes, and the right hair color and a nice, happy smile on your face.
Fabulous.
So lastly, is there any message that you would like to give to your readers?
I'm actually very happy to be a part of this association between Femina Salon and Spa and Wella Professionals because apart from the fact that they've created these 3 aspirational and inspirational looks for the contemporary Indian bride, for me it was a really great honor to be a part of two professional brands. Yes, thank you. 2 professional brands that are so aspirational in themselves. And I really do believe in quality. And for me to be associated with 2 people like this was a huge honor. And it was also great fun working with them, and I hope that I continue this association with both brands.
Yay to that.
अदिति, फेमिना के कवर पेज पर दूसरी बार आए हो, कैसा एक्सपीरियंस है?
You know, फेमिना जो है वो हर लड़की पढ़ती है. इट्स द लार्जेस्ट सेलिंग मैगजीन इन दिस कंट्री. और एक बहुत बड़ा ऑनर होता है फेमिना के साथ एसोसिएशन जब होता है. एंड दिस इज़ द सेकेंड टाइम दैट आई एम डूइंग अ फेमिना सैलून एंड स्पा कवर. So I'm very excited, and also it's a January cover, which is a very big cover. So I'm very happy to be associated with them again, and I'm particularly happy because the association this time is with Wella Professionals, who are very, very big in the business. They are the best when it comes to hair color, when it comes to their creations with trends and styles and innovations, and their products are बहुत अच्छी क्वालिटी के products हैं. तो मुझे मेरे लिए क्वालिटी बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है. सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी एसोसिएटेड दोनों के साथ.
उसके अंदर तो
जैसे कहा कि आपने जैसे कहा कि जब आप पब्लिक प्लेस पे जाती हैं तो यू डोंट पुट एनी मेकअप, आप मेकअप के बगैर नहीं जाती. तो इज एनी पर्टिकुलर रीजन बिहाइंड दैट कि बगैर मेकअप के आप पब्लिक में नहीं जाती हैं?
पब्लिक में मतलब इवेंट्स में नहीं, लेकिन जब मैं अपने नॉर्मल लाइफ में इधर उधर जाती हूँ तब मैं मेकअप नहीं लगाती. बिकॉज आई बिलीव दैट जो आप नेचुरली हैं वो सबसे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत होता है. लेकिन फ्लैश कैमरास के लिए हाँ मेकअप लगाना पड़ता है, या जब आप फिल्म्स करें कभी कभी मेकअप लगाना पड़ता है. वैसे मैंने फिल्म्स भी बिना मेकअप के करे हुए हैं. पर हाँ मैं ये मानती हूँ कि जो आप हैं वो सबसे खूबसूरत जो चेहरा है वो लोगों को देखना चाहिए. बिकॉज दैट इज़ हाउ पीपल गेट टू नो यू द बेस्ट फॉर हु यू एक्चुअली आर. So I think that is my thing.
अच्छा ये जो लुक जो अभी आपका जो लुक है ये कौन सा लुक है आपका हेयर लुक है और इसे आप पे आपको लग रहा है कि आपने सूट करा है आपको कितना पसंद है
मुझे मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है कि इसलिए मैंने पहना है मुझे ये ड्रेस बहुत अच्छी लगती है. इट्स अ वेरी क्लासिक ड्रेस. इट्स द काइंड ऑफ स्टाइल दैट ऑड्री हेपबर्न यूज्ड टू वेयर एंड शी इज़ वन ऑफ माई मोस्ट फेवरेट एक्टर्स. और मुझे उनका स्टाइल बहुत क्लासिक और टाइमलेस लगता है. एंड आई जनरली लाइक वेरी क्लासिक एंड टाइमलेस स्टाइल्स वेदर इट्स हेयर और इट्स क्लोथ्स और इट्स मेकअप. So that's why I've dressed like this.
Before it was only Femina magazine,
Yes.
you know, the articles written by
Yes.
like only about women and all. Now
Yeah.
it is Femina Salon and Spa also.
Yeah. It's the biggest beauty magazine. And it deals only with beauty and hair. So I think it's a very I love the fact that they have taken out a Femina Salon and Spa and they are doing so well in the market today. And people like you'll see a Femina Salon and Spa in every salon, at least that I've been to. And it is a magazine that people look forward to, the new edition. They have come up with amazing associations. My association I'm particularly proud of because I think it's the association with Wella Salon and Spa and Stan. I loved working with Stan. He's an artist. Really, इनको काम करके देख के बहुत इंस्पिरेशन होती है कि मैं ऐसे it's really like कोई कारीगर कुछ काम कर रहा है और बहुत ही somebody who is very proud of what they do, जो बहुत ही मतलब तहजीब से काम करते हैं और बहुत सुंदरता से काम करते हैं. सो आई रियली लाइक दैट एंड आई एंजॉय working with people like that. You can respect people like that. Both Femina and Wella professionals are people like that.
Tanya, we'll ask you, Aditi was second time on the cover of Femina Salon and Spa. The reason behind Aditi
The reason
was
behind having
yeah, obviously.
So the reason behind having Aditi on the cover the second time is this is a beauty magazine focused on beauty and hair, and this is a beautiful girl. So I mean, do I need to give any more reasons? But she worked very well for this particular issue because she has that regal